10 साल पहले कुछ मैंने मम्मी पूछा कि आप लोगों ने मुझे सेक्स के बारे में कभी बताया नहीं है, they immediately like खत्म, कुछ और चाहिए क्या? 3.5 years I had been single and celibate. She's like ये ठीक नहीं है. So it was literally a lot like that करीब single वाला scene कि ताला लग जाएगा. रेलवे स्टेशन में मम्मी को छोड़ के वापस डैड के साथ चल रही थी, किसी ने जाके चेस्ट में मार के चले गए. It was like and I was a child at the time and I remember being in pain. मरियान करके एक मूवी किया है मैंने. फर्स्ट डे ऑफ शूट वाज मी गेटिंग completely drenched in water and being romanced, and at one point I had to go and tell him that need a break to go back to the hotel and change, and they're like no, but and then I had to loudly say I'm on my period. My first mini experience of what was supposed to be a physical touch that is not from my parents was assault.
Was it somebody known?
Yeah. I'd reached very dark moments. I thought that I am beyond help. Suicidal tendencies were on another level. Hi, hello, namaskar. मेरा नाम पार्वती तिरवोतर है and you're watching me on Hotterfly.
देखिए केरला से लेके तमिलनाडु तक, तमिलनाडु से लेके मुंबई तक, इन्होंने ना ऐसे कोई शैकल्स नहीं रखी हैं जो नॉर्मली हम सोच के चलते हैं, क्योंकि पैन इंडिया आर्टिस्ट हैं. वेलकम पार्वती टू द बेलवेमनेस. क्या हाल है आपके?
बहुत अच्छे हाल है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी.
बट मुंबई कितना रहती हो, कितना वहां रहती हो, कितना कहाँ रहती हो?
मैं हर जगह रहती हूँ, सर्वव्यापी हूँ. और मैं अभी मुंबई में मेरा बेस है, केरला में मेरा बेस है. Home is not exactly about where I have a house anymore. Has really never been. ऐसे था कि 2019 I moved to Mumbai. I actually moved in with a person who had just come down from the US to make it in the industry, and we had connected on Instagram, and I didn't have a house at that point. And by that I mean 10 साल मैं कोची में थी और मैंने डिसाइड किया like I'm done. And so सब कुछ बेच लिया, सिर्फ with my suitcases I started living with my friends. So
मैं अगर एक सेकंड, आई एम लिटिल कल्चर शॉक.
क्या?
क्योंकि आई कैन नॉट बिलीव that you, top grade artist of Malayalam industry, suddenly decided to catch up with a friend who's from Instagram.
Yeah,
तो
and
ये
then
आपके
start living
technically
with
pen
them.
pal हैं.
नहीं, actually, you know, she had just released something on her channel and I had found it and I said, hey, that's really nice. And she was like, hey, I'm coming down to India. I was like, let's meet for breakfast. And then we met for breakfast. And then she's like, I'm looking for a roommate. I'm like, I can be a roommate. And then we became roommates in 2019, 2020.
ये कैसा चला सिलसिला फिर?
खत्म हुआ कोविड की वजह से. So then she had to find her own place and then I got stuck in another friend's house. There's a lot of being in my friend's house as a theme in my life. लेकिन उसके बाद वापस केरल गई after COVID and everything, and then I realized that this whole notion of having a house and running a house and
in a place
makes me feel वो जो phobia होता है ना, वो commitment phobia, runaway bride kind of a situation I have with houses. If I feel like, तो okay, you're paying this much rent, why don't you buy? I'm like, नहीं, वो मैं नहीं करूँगी. I can date a house, but I can't marry a house.
आप headline मार रही हो, तड़ातड़. This is t-shirt girl.
It is, right?
It is.
If it comes up and somebody is writing this down, please send it to me. I can have a side
Please
hustle.
send money.
Movies don't
because
pay
if it is
that
a side
well.
hustle,
Movies don't pay feminists that well. So.
नहीं, आपकी लाइन मुझे बहुत पसंद है, जहाँ आपने कहा कि आप चाहते हो that actresses speak up.
Yeah.
And then when we do, you don't let us be in a box which gets us parts.
Yes.
तो फिर मैं बड़ी नहीं बनूंगी तो फिर मैं कुछ कहूंगी कैसे जो.
Yeah, it's a chicken and egg and all kinds of situation. But it doesn't matter anymore. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो मन में आया करना चाहिए. I mean, something happened around 2025 and this entire year I've been feeling कि okay, all these notions, theories, जो कुछ भी हमने समझी है feminism के बारे में, at the end of the day we have to exist. जहाँ हमें काम करना है वहाँ रहना तो है हमें. बाहर जाके like outside the door कुछ changes नहीं आएगा. So now I feel like caution in the wind is on steroids now for me. Clearly, as you can see.
No, it's fun. I love it. Good friends. Okay.
Yeah, I can see that happening.
But were you this like as a child in Kozhikode? Were you this person? आप बचपन से rebellious थी? आप बचपन में कैसी थी?
बचपन में बहुत rebellious थी. In fact, my parents used to ask me कि who taught you how to ask so many questions? Everything needed came with like मुझे जानना है ये क्यों कर रहे हैं हम, like दिया जलाते हैं शाम को, तो मैं जाके पूछती थी अपने grandmother से कि क्यों जलाते हैं. She'd be like just shut up and do it, and I'd be like ये ठीक नहीं है. I can't just be told. लो बता के दो. Even if it's a religious thing that I may not believe, if you tell me I don't have an answer, then I have a problem. Even a shitty answer will do. But the fact that I won't be given an answer, मुझे लगता है तब से मेरा ये sense of justice and injustice was very strong.
बट दोनों माता पिता लॉयर हैं तो ये उस वजह से भी हुआ हो सकता है.
नहीं, okay, I always think that my parents are the most wrong people to be lawyers. They're good lawyers, but they're the most sweetheart people ever. उनसे झूठ नहीं बोली जाती है, उनसे like their face give away
Righteously.
everything that they think and feel. I would have done well as a lawyer, I think. But then
Because
obviously,
you're curious?
very curious, and I want to know. I have more and more questions.
फिर जेंडर नॉर्म्स जब आपके पास आ रहे थे कि आप
Hmm.
एक लड़की हो, आपको ऐसे बैठने का, ऐसे उठने का, इतना हंसने का, ऐसे ये नहीं करने का, या इतने बजे वापस आ जाने का घर, क्या उनको भी क्वेश्चन कर रही थी?
Initially not that much. The curfew के बारे में मुझे उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं था जितना कि कम बात करो, इतना ऊंचा मत हंसो.
Oh, you
Yeah, ha. I mean, abhi bhi. Like, I mean, I don't have like a very feminine laugh. Like, I'm just saying when I'm really enjoying, I laugh like that character in Simpsons or Dexter's Laboratory में वो जो villain था ना, like ha. Like yeah, and I'm like, why can't I be Taylor Swift and laugh like that and be considered a wholesome human? You know.
Just that part. Share it wide.
But you were asking me how rebellious I was in terms of very important thing. This whole conversation, which I've enjoyed listening to most of your guests, is ये period का conversation. मेरा सबसे बड़ा rebellion period के बारे में था, continues to be also. Because when I was growing up, I had a lot of friends who were boys also. उनको पता नहीं है, मुझे पता नहीं है ये period का चक्कर क्या है, because everything is so hush. So in religious space especially, ऐसे था कि वो वॉश क्लोथ्स टच नहीं करनी चाहिए. एंड आई यूज्ड टू go and touch them in front of my mother and run away. The first time you get your period, you're supposed to sit behind a sofa or like in a corner where you can't be seen, and you would be served food there. And that
और ये हमारे पूरे देश में होता है, आपके यहाँ भी होता था?
हाँ, like मेरे साथ किया गया था ये. And of course, I love my parents. They didn't treat me like shit when they were doing that, but they were also doing parental thing for the first time. तो
बट पेट्रियार्की सब में है.
सब में है, तो वो अच्छा खाना तो मिल रहा था मुझे, बट लाइक आई वाज लाइक ये भाई यहाँ क्यों बैठी हूँ. एंड देन फाइनल डे में वो लेके आते हैं कुछ लाइक ऐसे बाल्टी में लाइक सम यू नो holy water from the temple, and उसमें हल्दी मिला के, and then I remember this thud on my head, like the entire haldi just fell. They didn't even mix it. Like, see, that's my grouse. My grouse is not that ये किया गया है. It's like my hair stank of turmeric and like had bits for. That's like a 7th standard trauma for me, frankly.
But there's no shame. आपको सोफे के पीछे बिठाया जा रहा है, उसमें shame नहीं था?
मुझे तब नहीं पता था कि वो
हो क्या रहा है आपके साथ?
हाँ, I was like.
But periods के साथ shame ना, like the association.
Periods के साथ ज़्यादा shame था कि मैं वैसे भी मैं टेम्पल जाती नहीं हूँ उतना, बट व्हेन आई डू गो, व्हेन आई डिड वांट टू गो, वो बोल रहे थे हाँ यू कांट गो, एंड आई बी लाइक दैट जस्ट डजंट साउंड राइट टू मी. अगर गॉड ने मुझे क्रिएट किया है तो व्हाई एम आई इम्प्योर for God? Like God knew the mechanism God put, whatever gender he, they, she are. So it doesn't make sense to me. And then I started, like मैंने किया ना, peeling the onion. ऐसे लगा कि मुझे पूछना चाहिए ज़्यादा questions.
तो किससे जाके पूछती थी सवाल?
मम्मी से पूछती थी, तो मम्मी को भी पता नहीं था. And I realized that, see, listen, this is all a lot of noise and anger until there's a health problem. So there was this one time when I was 19 years old, मम्मी मुझे साड़ी पहना रही थी, and she was putting the blouse on for me, and then she like obviously like she touched my chest around here, and she's like यहाँ पे क्या है? I'm like, what do you mean क्या है? And she's like, there is a lump here, and I'm like, don't you have it? Like, I mean, I don't know the anatomy. Women are not talking about each other's bodies at the time. So she said, no, I don't have it. We need to get that checked. So I'm like, if you're not even openly talking to the women in your family about your body, how do we even know something is going wrong?
What was the lump?
It was a fibroid. It was benign. It was taken out.
Oh
but
my God.
Yeah, exactly, right? कितनी ऐसी problems है हमारी families में that women and women don't end up talking.
अब तो बड़ा breast cancer के बारे में awareness है, तो ये अब common awareness है.
But breast cancer छोड़ो सिद्धार्थ. What I'm saying is that when my mom is sick, she thinks that it's a burden to even take a break. If that is what we are causing a woman to feel, कि like my role is to not cause trouble, तो even if I'm dying, let me not talk about it. ऐसे बोलती थे, like my aunt, I mean my biggest I think project in my family was to continue saying to women in my family that प्लीज इफ यू आर अनकंफर्टेबल गो टू द डॉक्टर. हाँ नहीं, अगर डॉक्टर के पास जाऊंगी वो बोलेगा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. आई एम लाइक दैट इज द पॉइंट, यू गो टू द डॉक्टर. तो आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एपिडेमिक growing up for me that I saw is how lonely women were from each other, how they were kept away from each other.
Yeah. घर की बातें भी बाहर नहीं बता सकते ना आप.
Like I speak so openly about this even on set. There are so many women who can't do that.
But Parvati, will you go on set and tell your director you're in your period?
Yeah, I've done that. Marian करके एक movie किया है मैंने तमिल में. First day of shoot was me getting completely drenched in water and being romanced by the hero. And they are pouring water and water and water, and I realized that I haven't carried any change. I don't have like an entourage of people taking care of me or anything. And at one point I had to go and tell him that, listen, I need a break to go back to the hotel and change and come. And they're like, no, but we don't have that. And then I had to loudly say, I'm on my period. I have to. And they had no idea how to respond to that.
सारे आधे तो मर्द होते हैं, 90% तो मर्द होंगे.
Exactly.
सेट पे कितनी लड़कियां थी तब?
3.
पूरे सेट पे
50 लोग होंगे सेट पे, उसमें 3. अभी भी मलयालम, as in most of the Malayalam films there are very few women on set. So I get very happy when I see more women on set.
सुन लो बहन पहली बार, we generally do सुन लो भाई, but the idea is that you can talk about it as normally as मैं कॉफी पी रही हूँ.
ये शेम चीज जो है वो अटैच की गई है.
बट सेक्स एड कहाँ से मिल रहा था?
कहीं से नहीं मिला एक्चुअली. 10 साल पहले कुछ मैंने मम्मी पापा खाना खा रहे थे, मैंने पूछा कि अरे आप लोगों ने मुझे सेक्स के बारे में कभी बताया नहीं है. दे इमीडिएटली लाइक खत्म, कुछ और चाहिए क्या? एंड दे जस्ट लाइक ये बहुत बुरा किया आप लोगों ने, मुझे बाहर से पढ़ना पड़ा ये सब. बट सेक्स एड व्हेन डिड आई गेट, लाइक मेरा फर्स्ट आइडिया ऑफ व्हाटएवर आई सॉ दैट वाज सेक्सुअल वाज टाइटैनिक का किस.
A lot of us.
है ना?
Same.
I had a t-shirt with like Jack and Rose and like Titanic, a purple t-shirt. And I remember I was so in love with Jack and the idea of kiss. I don't know what it is. And I used to like kiss my t-shirt like this before I go into sleep. And then I would bring my cousin sisters also and say that, abhi aayega wo scene, abhi aayega. And then I'd turn around, my aunt was like looking at me.
और फिर कहाँ से समझ आई?
बहुत बुरे experiences समझ आई, to be very honest.
खुद करके ही समझ आई मतलब.
खुद करके ही समझ आई, but बुरे experience भी हुए थे, unfortunately. And there's another common topic I have seen, right? Obviously, you know this. The entire spectrum, the script goes, we are born and then we are groped. We are born and then we are assaulted.
कैसे ऐसे सब लड़कियों के पास कहानी है पार्वती? कैसे?
Same. The same thing. ऑटो में घुस रहे हो, पिंच कर दिया. रेलवे स्टेशन में मम्मी को छोड़ के वापस डैड के साथ चल रही थी, किसी ने जाके चेस्ट में मार के चले गए. It's not even like touching. It was like tap. And I was a child at the time and I remember being in pain. And then I realized that my mom used to teach me how to walk on the streets. She would be like, don't window shop, Parvati. Look at men's hands. Imagine the situation where a mother has to teach this to your
ये क्यों माँ को सिखा रही है? और आपकी छाती पे कोई चाटा मार के जाए आपको कैसा लगेगा? और आपको क्या आनंद मिल रहा है ये करके?
And also flashing. The number of times as a child I've turned around and then there's a guy with his mundu and like just showing his thing and walk, and I'm like, and I had no idea what was happening at the time. It's only much later when you're 16, 17, 19, you kind of go back that our bodies have been impacted by these experiences.
हाँ ना, रास्ते चलते मतलब अमूमन हुआ है आपके साथ.
Yeah, बहुत सारी बार. So imagine my first experience, my first many experience of what was supposed to be a physical touch that is not from my parents or my family was assault.
How old were you?
I was 17.
And was there somebody known?
Yeah. And also like even before that, it's not all the way. It is even हमें crush हो गया, कोई है आदमी जिसके साथ like you're in school, you have a crush on someone, and then they like assault you in a private space. You think they kind of normalize that can be done. If you love me, you will let me do that to you.
एक सेकंड. तो ये जो नोन पर्सन थे ये आपके क्रश थे?
हाँ.
और इन्होंने कंसेंट तो समझा ही नहीं था.
Consent is like no way. It's taken me 3 decades ये अनलर्न करने में कि ये हुआ है मेरे साथ. तो शेम मेरा नहीं है. I was in a lift once. This is again when I was like maybe 19, 20 or something. And there was this guy standing behind me who was pressing himself against me. And I could feel his member on me, right? As soon as we came out, I had just watched a movie and coming out with a friend. And I came out and I started slapping him, right? I was like, what did you do करके? Security आया, CCTV कैमरा नहीं लगाया उस मॉल में for whatever reason. पुलिस को बुलाया and including the police were telling me बस एक चांटा मारा ना छोड़ दो. And that's when I realized what exactly does justice mean in this country? And finally he fell on my feet and said that अभी मुझे गल्फ में जॉब मिला है, मेरी शादी होने वाली है. अच्छा ये सब होने वाली है थे और तुम्हें ये करना था. You couldn't hold back your lust or your carnal desires when you were in the lift. I remember that, and I remember everybody just telling me, just slap. And when I did slap, they all said, well done, well done. I'm like, you know, it doesn't feel like an achievement.
Yeah, consolation
That I'm
prize
having
होता है
to
ये सब.
protect myself is not something that you can pat on my back and I'll feel like I'm powerful, right?
सुन लो भाई, देखो हमको एज मर्द ये समझ ही नहीं होगी कि हमारे शोल्डर हमेशा तो छाती चौड़े रहते हैं. हम तो ऐसे ही
हम
घूमते
ऐसे बैठते हैं ना.
हाँ, लड़की लोग ऐसी बैठती हैं. कभी झुकते समय आपको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता कि आपकी छाती बाल जो दिखे दिखे. लड़की लोग चलती में ये करती हैं.
Yeah.
सेकंड पॉइंट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम ओनिंग योर बॉडी इज
Yeah.
थेरेपी.
Yes, therapy. Oh, I love therapy. Therapy, thank God for therapy. But also, until I got my current therapist, there were so many bad therapists. And also, it's very hard for me to find a therapist who has no gaze on who I am as a public person. तो मेरे initial therapists were from the US. और मेरे
नहीं,
therapy होते थे 1 AM, 2 AM में, उनका time. Because, no, serious, what do you mean ऐसे?
आई हैव 2-3 पर्सपेक्टिव्स जो मेरी
No,
थेरेपिस्ट
no,
ने मुझे सिखाया है.
आप बताओ.
एशियन थेरेपिस्ट कैन ओनली क्योर एशियन फोक्स.
Okay,
ठीक है.
Okay.
इंटरनेशनल थेरेपी डजंट वर्क ऑन देसीज. पीरियड.
okay.
अपना इधर पूरा अलग चल रहा है.
Desi, my hot take. I feel like Desi therapists who have red flags can also make matters worse
Yeah, for sure.
because they know exactly the cultural, you know, nooses to put on you and tighten it.
Shit. So true.
So, I mean, see, at the end of the day, it is painful to go through that process and बहुत lonely थी मैं उस time पे because I keep telling friends that I'm trying on new therapists and all, कुछ जम नहीं रहा था. I thought that I am beyond help. And of course, I had reached very, very dark moments. And trigger warning, care warning, सब कुछ डालना पड़ेगा at this point. It's like suicidal tendencies were on another level.
When was this?
The last was in 2021.
For real?
That was so close to now, right? Like, I mean, there's just Jan of 2021, Jan, Feb and all, मुझे याद ही नहीं है. It's a blur. I remember that time when I look at my phone का like gallery जब देखती हूँ, तो then that's when I know
These
that these are the
photos.
things that had happened at the time because I have no memory of that time because therapy started working for me. Now I have two kinds of therapy. One is EMDR, which is totally changing the game for me because trauma informed therapist है मेरे पास अभी. वो EMDR के through narratives change कर रही हैं of my power and how shame sits in my body. I also have a sex therapist. So basically my like plate is full. काम है, friends है, family है, और a
therapist है.
lot of this reworking and getting to know me is happening.
हाँ जी.
That is something again people had said कि late 30s में
ये
you'll
होएगा.
start getting closer and
Awareness.
closer and then you really wouldn't want to. The idea of companionship totally suddenly changes then, you know, and it becomes a fulfilled format of life a little bit.
बट आप हो डेटिंग एप्स पे.
मैं हूँ.
वहां तो बड़ी ठरक मच रही लोगों में.
हैं?
ऐसा मैंने सुना.
Regarding who?
Men.
You're saying that there are horny men on dating apps?
मेरे को जनरल रिसेंट फीडबैक ऐसा मिला है.
I would like to know off camera who said that because I want to ask them where this app is.
You want direct.
Because in the dating apps that I am in, there is nothing. It's slim pickings. कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है वहाँ
Aren't you
पे.
on the Raya famous people thing?
I am on Raya too.
Oh, so then?
So then that's the end of it. Somebody will like you, I will like them back. And before they say hello, ghost कर दिया. I've forgotten what it is like to be flirted with. In fact, I am on dating apps to practice flirting.
तो थोड़ा कैजुअल फ्लैटिंग हो रहा है उधर.
नहीं यार, मैं सच बोलूं कि इंटेंशन तो है लेकिन फ्लर्ट करने लायक कोई मिला नहीं अभी तक.
हाँ.
But there are women there also and there are people there who want to be there for friends, to make friends and PR.
Interesting. ठीक है.
So I'm
And
actually
PR.
हाँ, PR. Actually, people have written that in their bio also.
कि I'm here for PR.
work and to expand my network. I'm
Not
like,
bad.
करो अपना Spider-Man. तो
हमारी एक HR
I'm
वहां से
fine.
हायर भी करके लाई थी. राया नहीं, टिंडर से.
Oh.
हाँ, ट्रू स्टोरी.
So hiring can also happen. Hey, मैं casting कर सकती हूँ on Raya, right?
For sure.
But I have not only been on Raya, I have a fun story about. I've never been on dating apps until 2024 June. A friend of mine who is in Dubai who realized that मैं 2021 में मेरा एक breakup हुआ था. उसके बाद 3.5 years I had been single and celibate. And she's like, ये ठीक नहीं है. So it was literally a lot like that करीब करीब single वाला scene की ताला लग जाएगा.
ये चालू नहीं किया तो
Yeah,
कार्यक्रम.
चालू नहीं किया तो I was like यार तो ये correct है. And
No
she took my phone.
self-pleasure?
Well, of course. It was like amazing at it. But at some point you want to delegate this यार.
Yes.
है नहीं?
आप करो.
आप तो करो कुछ तो काम
I will
करो.
inform how to.
How to exactly. And sometimes not even that. I would like that too even. वो वाला mental load भी नहीं करना है मुझे.
बहुत सही.
Please.
Just go for it.
Just go for it. So I gave my phone to her and she downloaded Bumble, Raya, not Hinge, but this app called Field. Have you heard of? This is the third new thing I'm teaching Siddharth today. So F-E-E-L-D. Spelling itself I have a problem with. अगर field है तो F-E-I-L-D लिखो ना, but
ठीक
field
है, तो
है.
नहीं मिला रहेगा.
And it's also a glitchy app, but it's the most honest app that I have seen.
Okay.
This app is the most kinky app. Okay, में लिखा होगा name is this, if it's a couple, it's a couple, age, these are the pleasures that they're into. If it is BDSM, if it is demisexual, and there are several other words that I learned in that week. And so I was just going to LA for a thing, for a work thing, and I was like, I should try out Field.
Might as well.
Yeah, and then I found this normal-looking dude in that, and I messaged. And I don't know how to talk on a dating app. Like I had no game. So I said, hello, beep. Do you want to meet for coffee? And he's like, yeah, usually people chat for a few days. I'm like, I don't have time. I'm leaving in 3 days. Do you want to meet for coffee or no? डर गया वो. I was like, okay, you don't even have a photo on your thing. Can I just like see you? And then I'm like, sure, why? That disappearing photo भेज दिया. And he's like, huh? And he's the stand-up comedian and engineer and everything all together.
Desi?
नहीं. Nicaraguan American, actually. And then he said, okay, let's meet for coffee. And then I was like, अरे यार अभी तो डर लग रहा है मुझे. I don't want to go to like a private place to meet somebody. I was like, film देखने चलते हैं. And we went to watch Kinds of Kindness, Yorgos Lanthimos. I'm like, such a weird film to watch on a first
Most
date.
वाखड़ा film.
Exactly. But, and I had like a film festival thing going on at the time. And after the entire day, and I was on my period that day. So I am also like tired and like I'm not ready to take shit from anyone. So I wait for him at the mall. I ordered a hot chocolate and I'm having that. And while he's walking in, what I'm doing is taking out my lens and putting my glasses. That is what he saw as he walked in. And he also is wearing glasses. And he looks a little like, if I may say, like Richard in Friends. A young Richard in Friends, a young Tom Selleck. It was very good. I was like 10 on 10. Immediately started chatting, had the best time. We spent like 8 hours together after that. Dropped me back to the hotel. Probably the first time I was taken out on a date by a guy. Ever. Ever. Even in my relationships, I have not been taken out for a dinner situation.
नहीं यार.
ऐसे मत बोलो मैं रो दूँ please because I know the reality I live with. The act of taking somebody out for a meal, the act of doing those little things are just gone. मेरे साथ हुआ ही नहीं है. And then this person from
ये सच है
Field
क्या?
happened.
ये सच है क्या? ऐसा हो रहा है क्या आजकल? बाहर नहीं लेके आ रही पब्लिक?
You go out.
No, like
to different
I will come pick you up. I will get you flowers. I'll book a particular table. यार what the?
I'm saying nobody should do this because they have to do this.
No. I
They
had a
should
lot of fun
want to
doing
do
it.
it. Exactly. Now see, I like doing it. So I have done it. To my ex-boyfriends, I have brought them stuff. Because I like doing it. तो मैं ये expect नहीं कर रही हूँ. लेकिन पहली बार जो मेरे साथ मुझे ये दिया गया, I was like, oh, this is what I've been missing. I would love for this to happen to me too.
अच्छी भली महिला के साथ फीमेल के साथ बिल स्प्लिट करने के लिए फेमिनिज्म का इजाद नहीं हुआ था. आप लोग वो एक चीज पे फोकस कर चुके हो. उसके अलावा जो हमने बातें की उस पे फोकस करें. सिर्फ बिल स्प्लिट करवाने के लिए फेमिनिज्म का पैतरा ना अपनाएं.
Exactly. Here.
Here.
Also, I feel like the extremities that one goes to in terms of how vulnerable and open one can be with a partner. It happens as I'm getting older, I'm feeling less and less interested in that because I know my body a lot more and it takes so much effort to explain when it starts from like minus 30 or something for them.
Yeah.
So I'm like, man, I'll do it, man. I got it.
Fair enough.
You know, that happens a lot. It's not also a good thing because I feel like we're missing out on connection in that sense.
तो सुन लो भाई, मुझे ये समझ में आया है कि फेमिनिज्म में आप सोचेंगे हम ये क्यों बात करते हैं, क्यों पूछते हैं. हमें लगता है कि दोनों सेक्सेस को एक दूसरे से बात कर लेनी चाहिए. अगर आप हेटेरोसेक्सुअल नॉर्मेटिव रिलेशनशिप्स में हैं तो
Yeah.
आप ही के एक्सपीरियंसेस को बेहतर बनाएंगे. महिलाओं की बॉडीज के बारे में हमें पॉर्न से गलत समझ मिलती है एज मर्द, तो कई बार वो आपका सत्य होगा ये समझ के मत जाए.
मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि सिर्फ फीमेल प्रेशर के बारे में बात होनी चाहिए. I know it's risky, but men should speak about what is pleasurable to them also.
Yeah.
Because then it's an equitable ground.
Yeah.
बात ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं लोग इसके बारे में. Because, and they also don't want to put in the effort to make changes after a point. So then...
नहीं, I have a different thread going in my head which is I'm smiling at you. Please finish your thought.
Please tell me.
आप रोमांस फिल्म क्यों नहीं कर रही यार?
You know, I have the same question. I'm looking at you casting directors.
Like-
my biggest romance film, I would say, is Kareeb Single and Charlie. Actually, initially I used to put out this thing when I'm giving an interview, I'll look into the lens and say, please comedy directors, like ask me, because I do think that I'll do well in comedy, because I've been given dramatic roles and I do enjoy them a
Hey,
lot.
Kareeb Single, you were actually quite funny.
And I am. I am very proud of the fact that, because Tanuja actually said it to me many times that I have some word she used, Quicksilver, about me that has to be used in comedic film. God.
But do you think, remembering Irfan Bhai, was he a feminist?
I wouldn't know, yeah. I
You
wouldn't
wouldn't
know, but I feel I could only guess that he must have been, because I've met Babil on that shoot. I have met Shrutapa. So I feel like collectively it feels like they at least, I mean, he at least made the effort. But I do have to say that it's one of those weird phantom feeling when you lose a co-actor to death, basically. And I've lost two of them. One is Puneet Rajkumar and one is Irfan Khan. And it is strange because wo abhi tak wo it hasn't settled. And we created these characters and these worlds together. So for me, I genuinely don't know who they are as people.
Yeah.
I just know how kind they were or they for anybody on set. That's the only information I have. But I'm guessing he must have been.
Yeah.
And I mean, you see how soft a Babil is, right?
Yeah.
Like, I mean, you see how in touch with his emotions he is. So I feel like maybe.
Maybe. But पुनीत साहब तो बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं, बॉस, वो तो गॉड है वहाँ पर.
Yeah.
मतलब
Appu,
God
Milana,
rest his
the
soul.
movie that we did, ran for 425 days or something.
Yeah, 500 days I've
Yeah,
read.
500 days maybe, yeah.
Fuck.
Like over a year.
That's mental.
That's mental.
तो कन्नड़ा इंडस्ट्री में क्यों नहीं कंटिन्यू किया आपने?
Because I got the same roles after
अच्छा,
that.
वहाँ पर भी आपको फिर वैसे
Same, no, वहाँ पे ये वाला नहीं था problem. वहाँ पे bold female का problem नहीं था. वहाँ पे I was constantly falling in love with dacoits or gundas and waiting for them to fall back in love with me. It was the same story going back and forth. And now I do know that in Kannada there are amazing films being made, and I'm hoping that there will be something for me.
Yeah.
Singletons are really like suffering out there.
शादी का प्रेशर नहीं है आपको घर वालों से?
नहीं, वो प्रेशर कुकर मैंने निकाल के फेंक दिया था.
अच्छा, आया तो था फिर.
आया तो था. डैड ने बोला at one point, I think I was 27 then, he said either शादी करो नहीं तो घर खरीद लो. खरीद लिया घर. Immediately. मैंने बोला सेल डीड कहाँ है? अभी like
सही है.
So I remember telling my brother also that when he fell in love with his now wife, and then he was not very, confident about how to. And when his love story was going on, my deal with him is that if I can be your confidant and help you, please ensure that when the pressure of shadi happens, you have to help me out. And he's like, to get married? It's like, no, to keep myself not married.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Marriage as a institution, I have zero comments on actually, because मुझे बहुत confusion हो रही है कि legality में क्या है, what are the protections. Maybe there are such stuff, but I think the times that we are living in, one has to really understand why you want to legalize a companionship. The celebrating with the family together, I kind of get, लेकिन मेरा कोई interest नहीं है इसमें. And my friends say never. कि maybe when you meet your person you'll want to do all of this. Maybe यार जो है नहीं उसके बारे में मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकती.
सही बात है.
तो छोड़ दिया है मैंने.
But बच्चे अच्छे करने का सोचा था कभी? नहीं.
Not really. Yeah, actually I have. I'm not going to show it, but I have my daughter's name tattooed on my body.
Oh.
I decided when I was at 7 years old कि I will adopt because of Sushmita Sen. I remember watching her interviews and getting massively influenced. And of course, mom and dad did not take me that seriously then. But like even now, when I tattooed and all, I was like, mom was like, bro, this looks like she's taking this very seriously.
Yeah.
So I feel like there might be a moment now कि मैं ready हो जाऊँ उसके लिए, and then I might want to be a mom. I don't really see myself, at least now, being self-partnered or single or whatever word we need to use. I don't see myself wanting to give birth as a mother.
So you didn't even freeze your eggs or whatever?
Nah, nothing.
You didn't even explore the option.
No, I
ठीक है,
didn't.
ठीक है.
I didn't want to put my body through it. And I also do truly believe कि see everybody has their own thing. Like
हाँ,
recently,
नहीं, to each their own.
यही to each their own. ये कोई judgment नहीं है मेरे लिए. Like it has shifted many times. There was a time when I thought that my one true thing to do in life is to be a mother. And I'm like, bro, thank God you got over it because अभी तो मेरा एक iota of that भी नहीं है बाकी. But I have a better sense of nurturing now.
Okay.
Like
ये कहाँ से आता है और ये क्यों आया?
my dog.
Hey, perfect.
My dog came into my life and then I realized कि I could practice what it is like to nurture something outside of me. And then I realized, हाँ, यही काफ़ी है. I don't need a human child also. This is fulfilling my desire of nurture for now. Now, if I feel like creating a human, it would be one of those moments where I have a partner with whom I want pieces of us together in.
Yeah.
And it's a world where ये बच्चे जो हैं अभी we are actually throwing them into the fire considering where the world is going.
Yeah.
So I don't want to produce more kids.
Fahad Fasil, is he the male feminist?
I don't know these people well enough.
Really?
Yeah.
Who are your friends then? The men from
Don't
the
have a lot
Malayalam
of
industry?
friends. I worked more with Prithvi.
Prithvi, yes.
Yeah.
Love Prithvi.
Yeah. Him and Supriya are running Prithviraj Productions and
Yeah.
making some amazing films. And I just did a movie with Prithvi.
Hi.
Supriya has produced it and
नाम बताओ ना.
I nobody.
Yes.
I comma nobody.
मैं हाय बोल रहा था. I command
Hi
nobody.
hook, hi hook. Sorry.
पृथ्वीराज बाप आदमी है क्यों?
He supported newcomer directors a lot in his production. For me, that's a big move. And characters also. If you notice the kind of films, at least I have done with him also, like Kude. Mine is not the main character. It is actually a brother-sister ka character, but it's one of my favorite love stories ever. Sophie and Joshua in my head, like, amazing, right? And then there is Nindya Mohitin, of course. I feel like there isn't a dearth of him doing films where women are also equally on the same plane as his character.
And that is him claiming his feminism.
That is as much of an ally you can be, right?
Yeah.
Like you don't at least take away ki nahi, I don't want a woman to come and overshadow. So that I can say. But I think that kind of goes true with Malayalam films in general.
Yeah.
So I can't just say that it's only Prithvi is doing it. I don't know. I think the kind of movies you do are one thing. But it's very hard to know what they truly believe in. You know, there was this big fight and there's still a big fight where women are not given makeup cards.
Really?
Because like the union is being run by men and they are like, अरे यार बच्चे पैदा करेंगे उनको घर जाना होता है तो they can't stay in night shoots and all. I'm like some random shit and all they'll come. But hairdressers are mostly, hairstylists are mostly women.
Correct.
So I'm like उनको नहीं जाना है घर. I remember speaking to an ex-assistant of mine and I was saying कि like ऐसे मुझे पता नहीं था यार this girl is not getting makeup card because they're all against it. And he's like हाँ सही तो किया दीदी. क्यों ये लोग आएंगे हमारा जॉब लेके चला जाएगा and then what will I do? I'm like,
तो मर्द आएगा एक और वो भी तो लेके जा सकता है.
Exactly. I'm like they have been fed the idea कि like if women have more work, men will get less work. It's a civic duty sometimes to reflect on oneself a little bit. And this is why cinema works.
Correct.
I feel like this is why it's so important. I'm not saying preachy movies banao. I'm not saying कि fun entertainment films na banao. Why do you think Rocky Rani worked? It's because it is entertainment. But at the same time, you've talked about toxic masculinity in that. So you can do it if you want, but you just don't want to.
आपके हिसाब से एक real feminist कौन है फिर आज की तारीख में?
For me, a real feminist is who truly believes कि everybody has a right to exist in their full power, and who doesn't fear कि somebody else shining and expanding takes away from them. That's the only way to be a true feminist. Because otherwise आप resent करना शुरू कर लोगे. नहीं तो कहीं तो jealousy आ जाएगी आपको. And you also have to be constantly working on yourself जो हमारे ancestors ने दिए हैं. This gift of feeling entitled for like be it sex, be it work, all of those things. That also needs to be taken away. And I feel that requires a lifelong dedication to say, hey, what kind of a person do I want to be? And for me, that's what guides me. Is this the kind of a person you want to be, Parvati? At the end of the night, I want to be able to go to sleep thinking ki, I think Trump also feels very happy about himself going to sleep like this. Yeah, I'm the best banda hu, right? I'm sure.
हो सकता है.
But as long as one feels like another person's life is not a threat to me, their dignity is not a threat to me, I don't need to find my value by squashing others. I think that's a great entry point to be a good feminist.
Point. आप एटलीस्ट ये तो सोएंगे कि मैं अच्छा व्यक्ति हूँ. ये सोच के.
No
Do you still do
guilt.
diary entries?
I do the journal journey thing on Instagram, where I put a hashtag journal journey and people can join, and we do stories every morning of just journaling for 21 days. I like doing that.
I'll join next time.
Next time.
Okay, done.
I'll make an announcement and let you know.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
ये बताओ मर्दों को क्या बोलना बंद कर देना चाहिए औरतों को?
Take a chill pill, right? Like take it in a sportive spirit. The comments that they make on our bodies and stuff like that, they always say, "Gilari, relax, yeah, don't be so uptight." That thing. Like it's not my job to make you comfortable onto something wrong that you have done. Another thing I would love to stop hearing is them gloating by doing the bare minimum in the house when they have their partners and they have washed the dishes one time and they are like, "Arey yaar, kar liya maine. Like I'm the best husband in the world." And I'm like, no, I'm not violent. I'm saying it makes me happy. I'm still single. Because then I would be murderous if they did that. Like I come from a family where my parents, I've always seen them together everywhere. If my mom is washing the dishes, dad is drying it. Or my dad is washing the dishes, mom is drying it. Mom is making chapati, one of them, like they have always shared stuff. And they're like 7 years apart. Mujhe pata, an arranged marriage. And I got lucky watching my parents growing up like that.
सुंदर.
So my standards are way up high.
Thank you so much for sharing. कैसा
Thank
लगा आपको
you.
हमसे बात करके?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. I feel like बहुत कुछ बाकी है and I feel like right now is when I'm warmed up. Please
कमेंट्स में जो हमने पहली चीजें बोली हैं थोड़ी सी जाके कर दो, हमें अच्छा लगता है.
Yes.
It's going to be dropping around Christmas and New Year, so please
Nice.
wish everybody watching whatever you would like
Great.
to
Be
say.
nice. It's a New Year's. I want 2026 to start off well.
We all do.
We all do.
2025 ऐसे निकल गया और 2025 ऐसा लगा जैसे कि पता नहीं क्या साल था.
Oh, what a great year though.
Great year.
Sorry, it has been for me.
Touch wood for me as well.
Yeah, it has been a great year. Lot
Yeah.
of learnings. I don't recognize who I was in Jan to now, which is an amazing thing to say.
So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And thank you for watching the Mail Feminist. मेरा नाम सिद्धार्थ आलम मैन है.
मेरा नाम पार्वती तिरुवत है. I mean, we gotta do this.
And we are signing off. वो बाकी चीजें जो हैं जहाँ ये पर्सनल पॉडकास्ट करेंगी, हम चीजें करेंगे, वो नीचे कमेंट्स में बताना. Are you a hugger?
Yeah, massive.
Okay, bye.
Bye.